Central Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for select watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Now the fourth available. Elsewhere over the region at Sioux Falls, it was... This is a tornado drill as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week in the state of North Dakota. Use this opportunity to practice tornado safety precautions. If this were a tornado warning, you should move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If you were outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeat, this is only a drill. There is no active severe weather ongoing in the area. At 11 a.m. at Fargo's Hector Field,